To customize always on display in Poco X7 Pro, first we need to open a settings on our device, scroll down looking for the personalization. Enter it, then you can move to always on display, and right here you can find different themes. So there's your themes that you created, but there's also options for different always on display screens. So you can choose, for example, this one. You can then also go for your own image if you like with the custom image, and then you can customize for each of them different options. In this case, we can show battery or notifications. Click on apply, and that way our always on display will be applied. And as I said, for some of them you can customize them, but it's like many options. I cannot show them in one video. As you can see right here, we have many different options which we didn't get in the previous one. So that is basically everything. Choose whichever one you like and then customize it to your liking. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.